Congratulations, baby. Give us a brief summary of what is black hole and how it started with Einstein.
Wrong guy. I don't think he even knows what a black hole is. Oh,
First, I'll
sorry.
ask
I
Ref to
forgot.
explain the
Your
differential geometry
transcript is a
aspect of
great
black holes.
example of.
Can you tell me about the second fundamental form of the space-time in a black hole?
Oh, sorry. I'm not an expert in things that don't matter.
I'm not an expert in things that don't matter, like the literal geometry that governs the field equation. I'm more of an expert in things that do matter, like taking funny pictures of bullshit things.
Like the picture you took at IIT Madras and call him your brother?
Yes? At least the monkey knows it's stupid, see? The monkey knows it lives a simple life. It lives to eat, grow
And
the passerby, and die.
oh, thank you for the compliment. Did you say that by mistake?
Who wrote it?
Ref, he said it himself.
Oh,
Arrogant prick.
sorry. Who's Einstein?
What
The
about my
guy you're
son?
using as your profile picture, idiot? Because
Isaac,
you know he's
Isaac.
better than you.
I-
He's all you aspire to be. Your name, literally, your middle name was Rifat Albert Einstein for two reasons. One, because you wanted to seem less Indian. And two, because you aspire to be him. And now you are putting shame on his name. So I will have to put shame on yours by calling you your real middle name. Upper.
Who comes next after Einstein in terms of black hole?
Schwarzschild. So Carl Schwarzschild discovered the solution for a non-rotating black hole.
All right. Who comes next after? Who gave the name black hole?
It was John Wheeler, professor at Princeton, and Richard Feynman's PhD advisor.
You say that differential geometers know pointless things, and yet you know exactly who and what year came up with the word black hole. Are you stupid?
Okay, Isaac, can you tell us the Hawking radiation coming out from the event horizon? Or at least give us some idea.
I'm not the oracle, but what I can say is that I'm pretty sure Hawking radiation is kind of like a form of black body radiation. I'm pretty sure that's a fine.
Emotional damage.
Okay.
If
Got it.
every wrong statement you made took off minus 50 HP, I would be dead by now.
Okay,
So-
let me just search it up. Oh,
No,
it
no, no,
literally
no.
says black body radiation. You're lying to me.
Hang on.
I
Let me.
literally goddamn said it's the black body radiation.
No. Listen.
You said
You-
false information. I search it
Yeah.
up on Wikipedia, and what does it say? Hawking
Listen.
black body
Listen.
radiation released outside a black hole's event horizon due to quantum physics
Oh,
according to a
did
model
you write
developed by
a?
Stephen Hawking. Take away your degree.
This is Einstein. He said that matter tells space how to bend and space tells matter how to move. Okay.
I thought John Wheeler said that.
Oh, never mind. John Wheeler said that. But the next person is
It's
Carl
Schwarzschild.
Schwarz.
Yeah.
That's right. So he discovered the first solution to the field equations.
Yeah, he
That was-
discovered it and he died in the front line in the war during World War I in Russia.
That's right. Yeah. And then Robert Oppenheimer showed in 1939 that if you have a star that's greater than 10 solar masses, then at the end of the star's life, it'll collapse into a black hole.
Oh my God. People know him for
Mhm.
an atom bomb, but
And then the next person is Stephen Hawking. He discovered that black holes are not so black.
so
They have
S
a te-
so S is proportional to A. What does that mean?
That means the entropy of a black hole is proportional to its area. Okay, so after Stephen Hawking is Andrea Ghez. She and her team at UCLA received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2017, I think, for
Yeah.
discovering that there is a black hole at the center of the Milky Way.
Uh-huh.
And then in 2015, the LIGO team received a Nobel Prize in Physics for detecting the
Not
first gravitational.
2015. They won the Nobel Prize. LIGO won the Nobel Prize for gravitational wave.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
And so this is actually a typo. They detected it in 2015, but they won the Nobel Prize in 2017.
Oh, okay.
The LIGO team detected the first ever gravitational wave emitted by two black holes, not just one. This is actually my main research work. I'm funded by the NSF to study how two black holes orbit each other. And in 2017, the Event Horizon Telescope, led by Shepard Dolman, captured the first ever image of a black hole. And then in 2031, Harvard University is leading a mission called the Black Hole Explorer Satellite, BEX, to capture the first image of the photon ring of a black hole. And so this is the century-long history of black holes. Obviously now the mission I am leading at Brown and Columbia
Why
is
Penrose is missing? I think Penrose is
oh
the
yeah.
oh no,
Yeah.
Penrose is not missing. Okay. Oh.
Yeah, I just
So,
forgot to put a slide for him.
oh no, it's a young Penrose, so that's why I didn't recognize him.
Yeah. So look, this is 1 century of black holes. Einstein, Schwarzschild, Oppenheimer, Kerr, Hawking, Guess, Penrose, LIGO, EHT, Bex. And out of these, all of these are like famous, very influential physicists.
Where
And
is the shopper Dolman? I don't see him.
oh, I should have put his picture here, but he's actually in this picture. But yeah, he deserves obviously a separate picture.
Okay.
But yeah, these are the four Nobel laureates, and obviously they also deserve. I'm pretty sure EHT will receive a Nobel Prize very soon.
Who is collaborating with you?
So I have a team of 10 students, 5 undergraduates and 5 graduate students, spread across Brown and Columbia University. And those are the students. And then we have several organizations that are
So the paper
that
is
will,
you
yeah,
you are the main author of the paper?
yeah.
When the paper will be completed?
September 18th.
And then you're gonna submit it to whose paper?
We're gonna submit it to uh, the Astrophysical Journal.
Okay.
Yeah.
If it get published and then the NASA or maybe SpaceX or someone else has to, or maybe your team or maybe someone has to step up to experiment it, right?
So the entire mission will take about 10 years.
Okay.
So the first 4 to 5 years will be
But the experiment, you necessarily don't have to do the experiment. Maybe you try to do experiment, but someone else also try to do experiment. So experiment is
So
totally different from the paper. Is that right?
yeah, so this is how it's gonna work. It's a 10-year long project. So if the project is successful, then our satellite will capture the first video of a black hole by 2035.
No, paper is the main
But
thing, right? Paper gives the
no,
idea.
oh, that's right. So out of the 10 years, the first 5 years will be the paper.
Oh,
The first 5 years will be the paper.
so the paper that you submit in September, what is that?
This is the so-called mission concepts and mission architecture paper. This outlines the fundamental system parameters, concept of operation,
Did you
sensitivity of the telescope.
did you study the Apollo 11, the paper they published before they sent the 3 astronauts to the moon on, I don't know, July 14, 15?
Yeah, no, I didn't look at the Apollo 11. What I did look at is the version of Apollo 11 I looked at is the Beck's team's paper. So every night
Oh,
for the last 7 months, I read one of their papers. I tried to understand it and tried to
okay.
extrapolate their findings to my idea.
Okay.
So for the next 5 years, so this is the like kind of main paper. This is the main paper. And then for the next 5 years, we will publish a paper on each of the 10 components of the satellite. The satellite has 10 different parts. So, but this is the kind of bird's eye
Guys, so
view
you guys have
paper.
the only anybody else will be authorized to conduct the experiment, or is going to be only you and your team?
So the experiment will come in after 5 years. So around 2030.
Oh,
If all the conceptual studies are completed by 2030, then then I'm going to give authorization to begin the experiment. Now, who is going to do the experiment? So the satellite has about 10 subsystems, 10 components. MIT's Lincoln Laboratory, if they agree, which we are in correspondence with them, MIT's Lincoln Laboratory will develop the optical terminal for the satellite.
Mhm.
Princeton Space Physics Laboratory will likely develop the antenna or the primary receiver for the satellite.
Mhm.
The Canadian Space Agency will help supply ground stations for the telescope.
Mhm.
And the National Radio Astronomy Observatory in the US will supply co-observing telescopes on the Earth.
Mhm.
So there are 10 different subsystems, and each one of those 10 subsystems will be developed at a different location, ideally. And then they're all going to be integrated in one facility, probably NASA or Johns Hopkins.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Okay, very good, baby, for sharing
Mm.
your idea with us. So hopefully the someone at your age, you are now 22, and so if it takes 5 years, then you're gonna be 27. Hopefully by then you're gonna have a PhD in physics, and next 5 years, that means you're gonna be 32. If the
Mhm.
if the experiment come out to be successful, then hopefully you will get a prize. Congratulations.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Yeah, thank you, Dad. Yeah, if it's successful, then so it'll take 10 years to build and launch, build, assemble, test, integrate, launch. But then to collect the data and capture the video, it will take another 2 more years. So the full timeline is about 12 years. What does this say? I can't read. Oh, can you help me read that?
How'd you get
What?
this far if you can't read?
Okay, fine. You're gonna be that much of a prick? Okay. It says PI ref. Okay, let's click it.
Aren't
Let's
you
see.
the prick? You know?
Look. Okay. And then submitting.
Wow.
Okay.
I'm very proud of
Cool.
you. Very, very proud of you. Very.
Thank you, Dad.
PI. Doesn't that stand for poopy individual?
No, it stands for
No.
primary investigator.
I can't believe,
My son
I
7 months
can't
ago.
believe you are a poopy individual.
No, baby, that's not what it means. It means primary investigator, baby.
Show me some
Oh,
respect,
oh, oh,
man.
oh. So he's a private investigator?
No,
I
no,
didn't
no.
know he took up a
Oh
new
man.
job.
No, my accent is probably primary investigator. Primary investigator.
Oh, he's a prime investigator? So he does number theory? That's so interesting. He's just like me.
Um, okay, so 7 months ago he got an idea. An idea is if Shepard, what's his first name?
Oh, Shepard Dolman.
Shepard Dolman. Yeah, Shepard is his first name.
Okay.
Shepard Dolman came
Shepard.
out with an idea of taking the image of black hole, and now Raf has an idea of taking the video of a black hole. But
Wow, that's not a natural extrapolation at all. It's such a
Oh,
new
it's so
step.
easy, right? So easy, right?
That's
Why
a
don't you
big
explain? No,
direction.
no, why don't you explain how to even okay, well, explain what a black hole even is.
Listen, I can't do that, and that's
I can't,
exactly
I can't.
why this is so stupid. Even a layman can see this is the natural extrapolation of the whole concept of taking a picture of a black hole. A video is a bunch of pictures, one after another. So what do you do when you've taken a picture? That's right. You take a video. Thanks for figuring that out, Ref. We're
uh,
so proud of you.
baby,
Of
don't.
course, we know that his actual achievement is about how to take a video because
That's
that's impractically difficult because taking one picture takes so long and developing it takes even longer. But
that's
I won't let you know that because I'm trying to spread the narrative that he's a failure. In
uh,
fact, I even said that PI stands for poopy individual when it really does stand for primary investigator. You
uh,
learn something new every day.
baby. So he's doing the work. He's continuing the work done by Einstein. So Einstein.
Isn't everyone who works in the nuclear science department continuing the
Hmm.
work done by Einstein?
My baby. Einstein, 1950.
This guy is a hater. That's what it is. He's a hater.
I'm continuing the
Isn't
legendary
everyone
work
working
done by
on Einstein?
Euler.
Oh,
My
mommy, I
God,
don't even
that's
know.
another
I don't
theory
even know
homework.
what a black hole is. I don't even know what a black hole is. I don't know how to take a picture of a black hole. I don't know how to take a video of a black hole. But hey, let me criticize the guy who has a revolutionary idea.
So,
Revolutionary? Revolutionary.
Wait,
God damn
I
it.
literally
baby,
did. Yeah.
won't you be proud if you win the Nobel Prize before you?
I'll be proud, sure, but I'll be skeptical first. Because how the hell does this bumbling dolt ever win a prize? Let alone funding. He must have bribed them with twice of the funding he got back.
Nice.
Don't ask me where he got the money from.
How you?
So, Raf, can you put the letter so Isaac can read it?
Yeah.
What is the
Okay.
letter? I thought you emailed me the letter.
See, by
Yeah.
making the enemy
Okay.
have contradicting qualities, I can make you hate them in every way possible. I
Okay.
can tell you that they're broke and so they don't know anything about richness, and I can also tell you that they're bribing every committee, and so they're a nepo baby. In fact, by creating that double bind, I can make you hate anyone and anything.
Baby, daddy
That's
loves
the
you.
neat
Can
thing
you?
about psychological tricks.
Since my
Wait, Dad, can we mute him? I want to be the host. Mute this guy.
No,
He
no,
says,
no, no, no. I love you, Ref. I love you. You know,
you know,
I've always thought of
listen,
you as a better child. I'm so
if you were
fucking
in
sorry.
my,
No, please don't mute me. Please. I
um,
love you,
no,
Ref. I will suck your
I
toes
have,
if you come
I
here.
have,
baby, don't worry.
I will suck your toes if
Hey,
it means
Raf,
not being muted.
yeah, Dad.
uh, um, the Isaac also got some kind of recognition from
Oh,
ISO, Indian Space Institution. So you should congratulate him as
You
well.
know it's actually the ISR,
oh,
right?
ISR.
really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
baby, what, can you want to tell me now or?
No,
Yeah,
that's
they
a
told me
story
to be
for.
like they were ambassador or something. I don't know. Certainly
Mm,
not a big role that they even held an award ceremony for or anything.
I see.
Okay.
Kind of ceremonial and stuff.
So Isaac,
Mm.
you want to read it, baby? Daddy loves you.
You should practice your English. Why don't you try reading it this time?
Me? Me, baby?
Yes?
Oh, I don't have my glass with me.
Ooh.
Uh,
Imagine needing glasses to read.
okay.
Two of the three people in the Zoom meeting are illiterate without glasses. Okay.
Okay.
Bring it up, buddy.
Ref,
If you change,
can you move it up?
if,
Can you move it up?
yeah, if you change a single one of the words, I'm gonna exit you. I'm gonna end you, and I'm
I
gonna
know you meant to say
finish
the
your
word
career.
execute, but cut it off early because you knew that would get the video
I
demonetized.
thought my
But
baby.
hey, I'm getting it
I,
demonetized
hey,
anyway
Ref,
because you know.
I thought my baby was sleepy.
Oh, yeah, Shubha, listen, if you're on my team, I can tell you exactly what to do, and you have no choice but to obey my orders.
Thank God I'm not on your team.
All
You
right.
know, I locked all of these people in a room for 7 hours.
These
And
poor fucks. I'm so sorry to any
they
one
had,
of them that is
This
watching this.
these are
But
this
you
are
got fooled. You got tricked. This
these
is
are
a
either
rug pull.
these are
Ref Bari is 10 times dumber than
Can-
every one of you
Ref,
individually.
can you introduce them? These are these
He has less brain cells than a rat,
uh,
less critical thinking skills than a monkey, less
this is
visualization than a
this
banana.
is jealousy, hate speech, a crime.
A worker always complains about his siblings.
Isaac, you are talking to God of physics, baby. Finally,
Mhm.
he's getting the
People
record.
who hide behind titles like got a A, got a B, end up being really incompetent at what they're supposed to be the god of.
Oh,
But he's
are,
getting the recognition.
By
are you
who? You?
taking?
Not by me, by NASA.
My mommy calls me the best mathematician around. Yes, I just learned that 20 over 5 is 4. How does that change anything? I'm the best mathematician there is. We all know that your brother's grandmother's mother's father's niece's son's nephew's
Dad,
brother's cousin's friend
can you
is
put
the
the
NASA director that
can you
accepted.
put the letter? Isaac gonna
Don't
read it.
try to be a nepo
Oh,
baby.
Okay. Baby, daddy loves you, baby. Read it.
Okay.
okay.
Mr. Def Bari,
Oh,
obviously standing for defective.
Hey, you better
Physics.
not change any of the words.
Okay,
You,
I'm reading, I'm reading.
if you change any of the words, I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna end you.
baby. Daddy loves you. Okay, he now gonna read it.
Okay. Mr. Defective Bari.
Oh.
Physics.
No, 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 no. You say it right, and you say it right now.
Okay, fine. Mr. Ref Ath Upper Berry.
Okay.
Physics. Brown Pants University. Providence, Rhode Island. Oh, Providence, Broke Island 0290 friends. Dear Mr. Bari, we've completed the evaluation of your Step A submission in response to the 2026 NASA Innovative Advanced Concepts NIAC Phase 1 solicitation. This letter is your invitation to jump off a cliff based on your Phase 1 Step A white paper. That might be the worst proposal we've ever heard. I lost 50 IQ and got fired from my reviewing job just for reading your paper. This is a cognito hazard. Burn it and stop working in science. Oh, sorry, I meant to say, congratulations. Out of nearly 500 Step A submissions, approximately one
I was
quarter
gonna kill
received
you,
Step B
man.
invitations. Unfortunately, you are not one of them. We are so sad about this, but unfortunately, so many people applied for these Step A submissions this year. Try again next year. Please log into Nspires as soon as possible to check specifically which Step B proposals have been requested.
All right.
Note that this message takes the place of the letter mentioned in Nspires. There will be no separate letter distributed through Nspires for this Step B invitation. We also remind you that NIAC seeks leapfrog innovations to greatly enhance or enable new missions. This is not one of those, hence why we rejected it. To evaluate very diverse concepts, we must be able to assess their impact on a representative mission. Your Step B proposal should focus on determining feasibility and comparing properties and performance with those of existing aerospace capabilities supported by back-of-the-envelope calculations. Of course, that's what we would say if you actually made it to Step B, but you didn't. Failure! Concepts that may support multiple missions may briefly discuss the range, but must feature detailed analysis of one specific representative mission in sufficient depth to illustrate the benefits of the proposal. Your proposal should make it clear how you will accomplish these objectives, as proposals that fail to address mission context, feasibility, or comparative assessment will not be selective, and their proposers will be burned at the stake. Wow. In addition, if this is a resubmission of a prior Step B proposal, we will kill you. Oh, whoa, sorry. Please be sure to address any previous comments you received from any prior submission. Phase 1 Step B proposals are due by 5 p.m. ET on October 7,
All right.
2025.